Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Ibrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about a tripod. Okay, there we go. So this is a greenlion auto pop tripod. Now, what does it mean by auto pop tripod? We're used to normal tripods whereby they just open this way and the legs, they're just going this way. But this one seems when you drop it, it pops, which is quite impressive. And I was like, okay, let us just see what's inside, and we're gonna be unbox it and explore what's so good about this kind of tripod. Is it worth it or nah? But let us just check it out and see what's speciality about this tripod. So guys, here's our bad boy, and let us just unbox it and see what's packed throughout this kind of greenlion auto pop tripod. Nice packaging, not quite bad. First thing first, you're getting this kind of paperwork over here, which it's really impressive to read it and understand how you can use your tripod. Another stuff, it's our tripod. So there we go, this is our tripod over here. Really impressive. This is the drop down, so whenever it drops down, it does that, which is quite good, not bad. Kind of like it, but I don't know why. I'm kind of like, why is it popping up? Because sometimes it might be happening, like you see, it tells you here, keep the tripod away from your head or face when it pops. Really important, because when it comes this way, it might, you know what I mean, it's just structure, so it's might be a problem. But overall, it's really cool. You can see there's a remote control and a power button to turn it on and off. Really cool. And over here, you just extend it to keep your phone, so you can just keep your phone throughout here, and over here, as you can see it, and you can even rotate it to shoot vertical and even horizontal. It depends with you how much you want it. So we're going to be testing it, so as you can see even the distance of the height of this kind of tripod, but it's really cool. If we compare it with this one, which I was using, the Ulanzi one, which is quite impressive, you can see there's a total difference with the TT88. There's this kind of remote over here, which is really cool, same as this one. But over here, what's so special about it is just that this kind of tripod can take a top overhead kind of shot. That's something which is so cool. You see, you can just adjust this kind of stuff over here. You pop it up, this kind of leg, and it sticks on your desk, which is really good. So guys, here we are, and we're gonna be testing this tripod. You just drop it down like this way. Oh, my bad, I guess we have to try it again. So you just drop it down this way and it pops, but it seems like on the grass side, on the popping side, it's a little bit difference throughout here. So you just have to close it in this way and you leave it again. Ooh, nice, now we got it, perfect. Overall, the tripod looks really great, and when it's over here, you can actually push it further, so can go quite longer. And yeah, this is really good because this is the maximum height of this kind of tripod, so it's almost reaching me out. You can see here between my distance and the tripod, which is good. On the other hand, we're having this tripod, so we're gonna test the dimension too, so as you can see the difference. So this is a Ulanzi kind of tripod. I've been using this tripod for a while too. It's really nice. So see, Ulanzi, it's shorter, this one is quite a little bit taller. It's how you can keep your phone through this kind of tripod. Not quite bad, it's really good, but the wobbling, that's the problem, which I find it, this kind of tripod might be a little bit of a problem throughout wobbling, but by far, quite not bad. Another kind of stuff, is this something here on top MagSafe? Because it captured my attention, so let's see if it's MagSafe. If it's, oh, this is not MagSafe. My bad. I thought that this might be MagSafe. It would be bomb, it would be cool, but it's not a MagSafe. This kind of bad boy here, you can spot it. This one, it's not a MagSafe. So even if you just try, you see this way, try keeping your phone, it does not stick anything. But by far, just having your phone on this side and using it to shoot your videos, quite not bad. So can't complain much on this kind of tripod. It is what it is. It gives you some flexibility, but the tripod, which I really like, it's this one from Ulanzi. This kind of tripod is really good because when it just holds your phone, it's really holding. Just check it out. So I can just keep my phone like that, which is holding it steady, and I can even twist it for vertical shooting or horizontal shooting, depending on you what you really want throughout shooting your videos. But overall, it's really cool. Not only that, this kind of tripod of Ulanzi, which I like about it, it's magnetic. You see the magnets? It attaches to the magnet. It has a MagSafe kind of ready. I kind of like the greenlion one, not bad, but it's a little bit kind of skeptical on this holder. So perhaps you can modify this holder since it uses that kind of GoPro kind of holding. You can remove this and install for the GoPro with that kind of holder, which you can keep another phone mount. But why do you do that? Because there are other tripods which they have already some brackets which they hold the phone steady. This one is just more budget friendly for the people who just like something to shoot real quickly. This is the tripod which they just have it through there. And not only that, this kind of tripod has a remote. The remote over here, when you just push the button, it will start to flash and you pair with your phone. So whenever you pair with your phone, you can remove the remote. The remote looks and feels really good. What I like about this remote compared to the Ulanzi one, this one has an on and off kind of button. The Ulanzi one does not have, just have press the button. But this one is by far, it's really interesting kind of remote. So that's the benefit using this kind of tripod. You just don't need anyone to shoot with you. You can just carry this tripod and shoot anywhere you want. So guys, let's jump in throughout conclusion of this kind of bad boy. Should you consider buying this kind of tripod, or you're thinking like, oh, what's happening with this tripod? To be honest, I like the auto pop-up of it. I like the remote functionality, not bad. The only downside I can say on my perspective is this kind of holder. You see this kind of holder? It's just not bad, but I feel like it was supposed to be a little bit much stronger on holding your phone. Don't get it twisted, but sometimes I think the phone holders need to be more steady compared to how much sometimes you're shooting, because whenever you're shooting on a moment whereby it's an action kind of moment, this kind of tripod might be letting you down. But if you're shooting your own self, like a video like this talking headshot, this kind of tripod, it's really worth it. But if you're shooting sports stuff, this tripod is not good for you. So that's the only downside which I spotted. You need a tripod which is much stronger. So if you're shooting podcast and all of that, this tripod is dope. But if you're considering for sports and entertainment stuff, this tripod is not worth it for you. So that's it about the greenlion tripod. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this tripod. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And up to the next one, it's your boy here, AV13Tech. And yeah, peace.